Tayo po ay hindi nag-iisa kung bakit ito ay humantong sa tagumpay. Kasama po natin ang lahat ng mga kamanggagawa na umaga man o gabi ay ating katuwang, nagka-travel, umuulan, o umaaraw, nag-iisa o may kasama. I want to especially mention and congratulate Pastor Javier, our missionary to Vietnam. Will you please come up? Be with them. Ganyan po si Pastor Javier, he taught these students from Vietnam about, he's the one na nagturo ng, I think, 35 subjects. Is that right? 35 subjects. Because we cannot go to Vietnam, so I tried to help him through Skype. And he got sick already. And the testimony of the students is every time they close their eyes, they can see the eyes of their pastor. They open their eyes, they can see the face of their pastor. They go to bed, they can see the eyes of their pastor. Because he's teaching them about 35 subjects. It's not very easy. But it's very seldom that it happened. For one man, out of love, for the precious souls in Vietnam. It's very seldom to happen. When you sacrifice, just for you, gentlemen. We are so glad that we have missionaries from the Philippines who are not after money. They are looking forward towards the future of what God is going to do in Vietnam. We can see more churches will be planted in Vietnam. Pastor Javier is just one of those men called by God. So, Pastor Javier, will you please stand up and let us give him appreciate that, sir. We cannot pay you with dollar or dong or pesos. So, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, we are so grateful to God that we are here. And I want to please, may I request the faculty to please stand and let's give them a big hand. Appreciate them for what they do. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Dahil kung wala kayo, itong tatlong mga mangangaral at manggagawa ay hindi makakatapos ng ganito. Kaya salamat po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. At tayo po tumayong lahat.